Guard.
And I have the back that goes back here, but I don't want to do it till I've glued everything in there. And there's another piece that wraps around this way that has that same pink outline. And then I don't know what goes upstairs yet. I haven't got. So this piece is supposed to go here. And then the back will go on. And there's this little spot where you put this. And it goes right there. The rest of the cords will hide in there. And then you'll just be able to turn it on. I have it backwards, don't I? I don't know. On, and then off, and then all this will be hidden. And there's a roof that goes like this to where you won't be able to see anything under.